Well, friends, welcome back. We got a Homelite Super 55 Whiz, kind of a beast of a saw. 55 Super Whiz, I guess it's probably called. Super Whiz 55, you probably know better than I do. Got the nice original, it's got to be at least a 20-inch bar, I would think. Picked it up actually at a garage sale. And gas in it yet? The guy said he had it gone through a couple years ago, and said it should run. And put some just kind of put some pulling into it. There was already gas in from a couple years ago. She started right up, so pretty fun. Kind of some of the older ones I've had. So really happy with it that it runs like it's supposed to. So I'm gonna attempt to cut this log in half. You can see it oils well. Saw oils well. We'll see how it cuts. It'll be fun. Never cut with one like this before, and we'll see. He said it was quite a saw, so let's give her a shot. I'm gonna set you guys down, back up a few, maybe 10 feet. Set you guys down. I'm gonna let her rip. Let's see. Get you set up quick. Bear with me. Okay, here we go. All right, let's see what you can do. There's an on and off switch on the front, right there. Turn that on. Well, got her done. That was user error for sure on that cutting. Wow, not used to the torque on that thing. So you can see it works pretty good. Maybe a little bit of a dull chain in there, but not too bad. Once I got in the groove, the thing really bit. So hard to kill it. Actually, you can't lock up can't really lock it up. I mean, the thing has got unbelievable torque, which is awesome.